let's go. Feet straight ahead. Oh, that's okay. Head back. Let's give it a shot again. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, turn around gracefully. And we're walking. Feet straight ahead. Beautiful. Beautiful. Posture. Good. Turn around. Now I dare you to go to your seat and sit properly with the book on. I challenge you. Woo! Yeah. All right. Walking straight ahead. Beautiful. Hold on one sec for me. Good job. Woo! Great, Kaylin. Leave that book. Now I would like you to walk to your seat, proper posture, and sit gracefully, folding under your dress. Beautiful. Woo! All right. Go ahead and hand it to the next young lady. Good job. Good job, Kaylin. Posture, posture. Ready? And we're walking. You came at a good time. Beautiful. Beautiful. The feet are straight ahead. We'll turn gracefully. And we're walking back. Excellent. Woo! Beautiful. Now walk to your seat and sit gracefully with the book on your head. Woo! Yes! Next. Hold on, hold on. So, ladies, do not start with their feet wide open, okay? Start with them together. Feet aim forward, okay? And we're walking, facing forward. Yes, feet forward. Beautiful, beautiful. Good job. Good job. Now turn gracefully. You're doing a great job. Walk straight, feet straight, feet straight. Turn around and walk to your seat and sit gracefully. Feet straight still. Woo! Good. Miss Ronika, you're next. Let's do it, Mommy. Maybe you can help Miss Ronika. Miss Ronika, can you help her for me, please? Okay. That's going to be beautiful. Yes. Posture upright, looking straight ahead, not at the floor. And we're walking. Probably. Okay, so we can remove the book because she has a braid in the center. Go back for me, Mommy. And we're just going to be a little harder on you because you don't have the book, okay? Remember, make sure your feet are aimed forward. It's the same thing. That's kind of light. You want to try it? Okay, let's walk straight forward. Follow me.
Let's go. Eyes up.
Good job. Woo! Uh-oh. That's okay. It's not your fault.
How do you pick it up?
Good job. All right, now continue walking toward me. Look up. Good job. Turn around. Keep looking up. Walk back to Miss Ronika. Walk back to Miss Ronika. Looking forward. Good job. Good job. Now walk to your seat like a beautiful lady, and remember, fold your dress under when you sit, okay? Aww. Let's go. Come on. Jasmine, your turn. Let's see how skillful you are, Jasmine. Ready? Looking up. Good. The feet are aimed forward. Excellent. Good. Turn gracefully. Woo! She's like a show-off. Good job. Feet aim forward. Feet aim forward. Turn around gracefully. Now I challenge you to head to your seat with the book. Remember to fold your dress under when you're sitting. Woo! Good job. She's like, oh my gosh, my turn. You can do it. Looking straight ahead, and we're going. Walking, feet aim forward, beautiful. Turn gracefully. Okay. Feet beautiful. Wonderful. Now for the bonus. Woo! The wonders of proper posture. Yes. Well, her ponytail is a little bit further back. Hold, no, right on the front. Look up. And we're walking. Feet look perfect. Now just relax the arms. We don't want to... that's okay. We don't want you to look like, okay, I'm balancing. Just walk naturally. Turn gracefully, please. And you're walking. Great job. Great job. Head to your seat. And woo! Good job. Last person. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Walking. Beautiful. Looking straight ahead. Excellent. You could be a model, girl. Turn. Posture. Good. And we're walking. Feet. Stop. Stop. Feet forward, okay? Feet straight ahead. So you have to think about it for a while, okay? Walk, aiming feet straight forward. So here's what you're doing. This is what you're doing. Turn around. Look at me. You're doing this. It's straight here, then you end up going off to the side. Okay? So I want you to just walk straight and step there, not turn. Yes, one at a time. Good. I don't want you to look like a mannequin though, like a robot. Okay, just make natural steps. Natural steps. Okay, turn around. Go ahead. Make sure. Aim forward. Go straight forward. This is straight. This one is straight. Go ahead. Let me see the other one. Good. Walk naturally. Yes. Don't just stop like that. Walk naturally. Beautiful. 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 Now, one more for the road. Straight forward. On your own now. Go straight ahead. Yes. Yes. Don't lean it to the right now. Go straight. Straighten the feet. Okay. You have to intentionally do it for a while until it becomes natural for you. Okay? You're doing great. And while you're walking, look straight ahead. Okay? Do that again. Straight forward. Go to your seat on the way. Beautiful. Straighten the right foot. Okay? Good job. Woo! You did great. Proper posture. Awesome. Beautiful job, ladies. Beautiful job. Give yourself a hand. Awesome. So that's what it is about sitting and walking gracefully. Did you think that these things would be so complicated, like to pick something up from the floor, getting in a car? Yeah. So that's how a lady does those things. And I want you to practice these things from now on. The more you practice it, the more natural it becomes, and it's just you. It just becomes you. And you, people ask it, oh, you're so prissy. No, it's just proper. It's ladylike. That's all to it. Okay? Thank you so much. Woo! Oh my goodness. We're done. She's like, we're done. Proper posture, straight forward, feet straight forward.
Yes, queen.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to turn gracefully. And you're walking straight ahead. Feet straight ahead. Straighten the feet. Feet straight ahead. Oh, she's just showing off?